What's the meaning of clickable? Clickable. Clickable.
Clickable. Clickable. Clickable refers to something that can be clicked on, usually on a computer or mobile device. It is typically used to describe elements on a user interface such as buttons, links, and menus. When something is clickable, it means that a user can interact with it by clicking on it with a mouse or tapping it with a finger. Clicking on a clickable element can trigger an action such as opening a new web page, submitting a form, or playing a video. Overall, being clickable enhances the user experience by making it easier to navigate and interact with digital content.